What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur, and today I want to show you how to make money by typing. And this strategy can make anywhere from $200, $500, $800, $1,000 plus per day just by typing, being a freelance writer. If you don't know what that is, you simply can write, type from home. You can work from your computer, work from your laptop, work from your phone. All you're doing is writing content. You're producing content for other people, and they're paying you to do so. Now, in today's video, I want to show you 4 different websites that you can go to and start finding people that are looking to hire a freelance writer today. Okay? So you don't gotta wait weeks or months to start making money. You can start earning money right now, today. All you gotta do, watch the rest of the video. I'm gonna show you a cool little hack and how you can work a little bit faster, make more money, and you become more successful. So let's get started. So if you do not have a word processor, you need to get one, okay? Now, you can obviously use Word, okay? Get the whole Microsoft, I don't know, template thing, whatever it is. Or just go to Google, okay? Just go to Google, and this right here is Google Docs, okay? Absolutely free. You do not need to pay to use Word anymore. Google has it free, okay? Right here, Google Docs. Now, once you have a word processor, you can start typing. You can start making money, all right? It's pretty easy. All you gotta do is start working from home and begin making money. That's all you gotta do, all right? So, how do you do that? Well, there's 4 different sites I highly recommend you use, and you can start right now. Before I get to these 4 different sites, I first just want to say they're not in any order. I'm not saying the first one's the best one and the 4th one is the worst. I'm just saying these are 4 different sites, all right? So if you are new to freelance writing or you've been thinking about it and you're not sure where to go, start with one of these sites, all right? So before I get to that, I just want to show you this because maybe you're thinking, oh, is freelance writing, is it worth it? Well, on average, the average salary of a freelance writer job in 2019 is $63,000 per year. What that means is when you start writing, you can start making money. That means you're making over $5,000 average per month. Okay, it comes out about $5,300 per month average. Now that's average. When you start, maybe you're only going to make $1,000 the first month. But maybe somebody that's been in it for 6 months or 2 years is making closer to $5,000, $8,000, maybe even $10,000 per month. Okay, so just understand there is money to be made. So what is one of the first websites to use? The website that I really like. Okay, I've liked it for a long time. It works extremely well. I've been a member of it for I don't know how many years. Okay, a while, but it's Freelancer.com. Now, you can go to Freelancer.com, you can go and sign up as a freelancer. But look right here, look at these jobs. Writer for Amazon product listings. Okay, it has 6 days left before they close the job and pick a writer. So we could bid now. Average bid is $24 probably per listing. I would like to hire a content writer, okay? Someone to write me 500 to 700 word article on finding financial advisors in Canada. Average $23. $23 for a 500 to 750 word article. That's not bad. You just come in here and you start bidding on a bunch of different jobs. I need a grant writer. Maybe you don't want to do a grant. All right, no. Writer for research proposal for a PhD. If you want to do that, okay, great. $158 average bid. Okay. $35 an hour average bid. $79 average bid. Write health and beauty product articles. Okay, articles should be 1,300 and 500 words of comment. Okay, I'm not sure exactly what to look for, but this is all just Freelancer.com. Another great website is Upwork.com. Now, one thing you need to understand about Upwork is Upwork has probably the most jobs anywhere online. They also have some of the most freelancers anywhere online. And with that, sometimes they are not accepting new freelance writers. I have no clue as of right now if they are or not, but try it out. Go to Upwork.com. You can come down here and see roughly what some of these people are getting. Look at this one, $50 an hour. $100 an hour, $150 an hour. Okay, worldwide, $45 an hour. Okay, from Egypt, $40 an hour. From the Philippines, $45 an hour. From Winnipeg, $40 an hour. From Bangladesh. Okay, so even though you may not be from the United States, you can still work from Freelancer.com and from Upwork.com, and there's money to be made. So before I get to the next two websites where you can start making some money, I want to show you a little hack, and then I also want to give you some tips on how to make more money and how to get more jobs quickly as a freelance writer. So the tip that I want to show you, okay, the little hack that I want to show you, maybe you've seen it before. If you go to Google Docs, you come up here to Tools and click on Voice Typing. You're going to see this. Now, because I'm shooting a video, I do have a microphone already hooked up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click this button and I'm just going to start talking. And because of that, because I already have the microphone hooked up, Google Docs is going to allow me to do voice typing. So it's going to type everything that I say. Check this out. This is the cool part about Google Docs, period. New line. The best part is that this is absolutely free and it's fast, period. New line. If you want to make more money online, I highly recommend you use voice typing, period. New paragraph. Look at that right there. This is the cool part about using Google Docs. That's exactly what I said. The best part is that this is absolutely free and it's fast, period. That's exactly what I said. If you want to make more money online, I highly recommend you use voice typing, period. New paragraph. That was exactly what I said. So this pretty much did it everything word for word exactly how I wanted it. So if you're not a fast typer, I highly recommend you use this. Use voice typing because it does work. Now, let me show you two more websites, and I'll again give you some tips on how to make more money typing online. So, here's a website right here. It's called Freelancewriting.com. Okay? You can see it right here, Freelancewriting.com, and I went to jobs right here, writing jobs. The nice thing about this, okay, is that there's a bunch of different jobs here on this website. Now, does it have as many as Freelancer or Upwork? No, not even close. But you're not going to get as many people bidding on these jobs or trying to go after this work, okay? Because some people just don't know about it. So, freelancewriting.com, okay? Look down here. The CB writer editor, okay? You can see the company, junior graphic designer, content writer, editor, content writer, writer, okay? Content writer, and all these are going to be, you can see right here, it looks like it's posted on Indeed.com, all right? So that'd be a great place to go. Well, here we go. This is Indeed.com. Okay, so if you want to bypass freelancewriting.com, you can go straight to Indeed, which is obviously another great place to go. Look right here, freelance resume writer, okay? $3,500 a month, okay? If you remember, right here, $63,000 a year comes out to about $5,300. So you're about $1,800 off right here, and you're writing for somebody else. A freelance writer, remote is okay. When it says remote, it means you can be working from anywhere in the world, okay? A remote location. $18 to $30 an hour. Okay, content and publications manager, technical writer. The reason why I wanted to show you those other two websites is because I don't want you to be struggling to get work, okay? And you may struggle to get work on Freelancer and Upwork. But if you go to outside locations, like there's another site, it's called textbroker.com. I think it's only for people in the United States and Canada, but it's a great website. Another one is Craigslist.org. If you go to Craigslist, you can go anywhere in the world. My favorite is the Philippines and over in India, okay, Mumbai, India, and go to Manila in the Philippines. Those are the best places, and go look for jobs there. The problem with Craigslist is you're going to get paid very little, sometimes a penny per word. Maybe you might get up to 2 to 5 cents per word, depending on who it is that's hiring you. So, here's some tips. The first tip when it comes to getting jobs, bidding on jobs, is to, even though you may be worth $10 for a 500 word article, that means it's 2 cents per word. even though you may be well worth that for your initial bid, your initial job, maybe you don't go in at $10. Maybe you go in at $4 to $5. That's a penny per word or less. The reason why you do this is because you're going to show this person that, hey, I'm a new writer. I don't have any recommendations. I don't have any people that can vouch for my past work. But being that I'm new and you're going to give me a chance, hopefully, I'm going to give you a discount on this one job only. I'm going to charge you half price. I'm going to charge you $4 for a 500-word article instead of my normal $8 for a 500-word article. Because of that, they're more likely to give you that job. Also say, and I also do unlimited revisions. What this means is if they don't like it for some reason, maybe there's too many paragraphs, maybe every single paragraph only has 2 to 3 sentences. They want it combined so every paragraph has 4 to 6 sentences. You can go and make a revision and it's not going to cost them a penny more. Okay, so that's another tip for you guys. Give them more value. If they can trust you because you guarantee they will like your work, like your writing, or you're going to rewrite it, you're going to make some revisions, chances are they're going to go with you over somebody else. The third tip, when you do this work, okay, when you do work for other people, at the end, just ask, do you mind if I use this writing job as a sample? Okay, the reason why I say you need to ask is because if people pay you for your work, that really is their work. It's theirs. They hired you to create it. It belongs to them. So do not take that content, that writing, and use it as a sample without that person's prior permission. If you do that, you could be, for one, they may come back and say, hey, why are you using this? And try to go after you. Never had that happen, but I always ask. Okay, when I started as a freelance writer, I started back in 2006. Okay, and I did it for a very long time. Had a lot of success. Okay, made a lot of money. I built multiple businesses off of this, and it's a very effective strategy. You can make a lot of money as a freelance writer. Again, I started back in 2006, but there's still so many people, so many jobs out there that you can do as a freelance writer. Everybody's looking for content. Doesn't matter if it's for an article, for an email, for a paper. Okay, it could be for a course. It could be for Facebook. Maybe somebody's wanting you to write Facebook content, Facebook stories. Maybe you're going to go and create an Instagram post. I've been writing for a while, and I've got everything under the sun. I've written papers for people for college. Okay, I've done resumes. I've done courses. I've done different programs. Okay, different little membership stuff. I've done a lot of stuff, and I can tell you there's money to be made. All you gotta do is get out there and start finding that work. So if you are serious about making money typing in 2019 and beyond, I highly recommend you just start now. For one, create a website and show different samples. Show pieces of your work. It could be little snippets. It could be a whole article or something. But show samples. The reason why I say that is because here in 2019, everybody's pretty much expected to have a website or something where they can show their work. Okay, so as a freelance writer, obviously that's you and that's you as well. Okay, so if you guys have any questions on how to make money as a freelance writer, just let me know. You can ask your questions down in the comment section below. I guarantee you, you put in the time, you put in the effort, you will make money typing. It's very easy. It's fun when you do it correctly. And the best part about that is you can start to hire people to create a team underneath you. So you act as the middleman, you get the job, you hire it out, and then when they send it back, you make the difference between what you're getting paid and what you're paying out to your writer. Okay? If you want more information about that, I'll put a link to my course down in the description box below. You can go check it out. It's a $40 course, but it's going to help you get to that point. So again, if you have any questions, ask your questions down in the comment section below. Hit that thumbs up button if you enjoyed today's video and want more videos on how to make money online. Also subscribe and click that notification bell so you don't miss any more of my videos. And I'll see you guys on the next one.